Good morning, beautiful citizens of the world. Good morning. Many of us know what's been going on now these days in a country called Nigeria. Well, I'll be speaking, you know, especially on the tribe of my people, okay? The Yorubas. I can't say things about other people when I don't know them. I've never lived so much on other tribes of Nigeria. What has been done, the evil that has been done in this country is done already. But my people, Yorubas, take this. The God, the Most High, who made the world, who made everything, the unseen and the seen, with his power, has given us a special code about when things get rough, how to remain in power, how to remain in connection with him. But the way we say things now, things are not the same. We're no more powerful, we're not in control, we're disconnected, disoriented, unpurposeful, scattered all over the world, being called names, killed all around. I'm not saying other tribes are not being killed everywhere. But think about this. Most of the things, the national, the national product of Nigeria, more than half of the percentage of it is coming from the Yoruba land. And if you check it out, we are the people under. This is not by chance. This is not just happening because we Yorubas. It's because we are connected to something great, something mystically great. The Torah, the pre-Bible scriptures, before they call it Bible, that's the law and the prophet, the Torah, is given in our language. It's a special indication telling us that we are the people of this book, which the whole world are using now for salvation, for sanctification. So my point is this. My people, let us go back to this and reason together. We're losing out on every side. Our home we're killed. Where we know bodies. We're cleaning toilets. I'm going to go clean some toilets today. I'm not lying to you. Okay? We're born kings and we now, what? Slaves are even better than us. Right? In Lagos, we're being what? This is written in the scriptures. Because we've disobeyed the law and everybody coming with different theories who we are and we don't know with this. But I tell you, we are the people of the Torah. These people, we are the people of the Torah. Let's go back. Throw all away all your garbage, your guts, your whatever thing, all those things is not benefited us in any way. Sunday going to church and all this, it's not given to our fathers to go to worship the Most High power on Sundays. We know Islam people, we know Muslims. We're Israelites. We're the children of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Akobi, the one that departs the firstborn, is the second, but he departed. Akobi. My people, please make sense of these things. Otherwise, they will throw all of you in the Black Sea. In our history, our culture, it won't even happen. Because the remnant we stand and go back to the Most High. Go back to the God of your fathers. The God of your fathers is not Oshun. It's not Shango. It's not these images. Commander Joshua told our father, he said, choose you this day The God that your fathers served in Yemen, beyond the seas of Arabia, or the Most High that saved you out of Egypt. He's talking to you people. What's wrong? Can't you see things? We're not in control of anything. Please, go back to Sabbath. It's not Seventh-day Adventist. This Paul madness that they brought upon us so we can miss the whole thing altogether. Because if we disconnected from our God, then we disconnect from everything. Then everybody's not just lost. We can't fight anybody. You see, they make, this is done on purpose. From the day this Nigerian state was formed, there's been a thing to just, okay, we don't want to cut everybody. They're winning the game, but please, my people, hear my words. Go back to Torah. Find the Torah of your family. Find the Torah of your grandmother and check these things out. The Bible, the Torah, combine it together and serve the Lord on that Sabbath day. Purify yourself, sanctify yourself. We will fight for you as you fought for your fathers. Believe these things. It will work. Otherwise, the beginning is not yet. The trouble is not start yet. By the time everything start running, by the time they set the machine of destruction on, yeah, man, you know what it means? Or Yahweh will save us. Or Yahweh will save us. Or Yah will save us.